Animal lover and philanthropist. This is my partner,
Braxton Jones. Let's go.
Holy fuck. What was that? That was a chipmunk. Rare breed of chipmunk. You don't find much chipmunks here.
What kind is it, John?
I'm not sure, but from the sound of it, I would say, hey, it's rare. It's rare. It's probably a striped lizard chipmunk.
Not dangerous.
Look, I see it. I got eyes on it. Eyes on it. Eyes on it. Oh. Okay. Oh, I found it tall too.
Alright, smash it out.
No, I'm putting my hand in its hole. Alright, maybe I should use a stick.
Poke it with a stick.
Okay, I'm poking it.
Poke it.
Fuck, it's angry! It's angry! Damn it. That's the most aggressive, poisonous breed of chipmunk. Alright. Braxton, you okay?
I'm back.
Cameraman? Yeah?
You
okay.
good?
Alright. Okay. This right here. We are in Ethiopia. One of the most beautiful places on the planet. Look at this scenery. Nothing but mountain and houses, trees, and a park. And we're hunting animals. Now, earlier I found this rare breed of bird. Braxton, explain it.
The black Ethiopian African shitbird. We're gonna catch one.
Now, it's funny because they call it this shitbird because, oh, I found this shitbird. I'll tell you later. Okay. We have to be very quiet. They have very keen sense of hearing. This is a stick. Oh, shit. That's a beautiful stick. Alright. See it right there. Oh, it took off. What a beautiful sight. Oh.
Never seen a shitbird in the wild before, only in captivity.
Wow. A majestic animal. I'm saying. Now it got its name, the shitbird, because when the natives came and they would dig their shitholes to take shits in and cover it with the shit teepee, these birds would fly into the shit teepee, or the haka, as most natives like to call it. But they would fly in there and they would actually bathe themselves in the native shit. Let's take a closer look. And as they would bathe themselves, and the Ethiopians would, you know, shoo them out, and they started calling them Shatahia, which means shitbird. Okay, I really want to get up close to this shitbird.
One right here.
Very, very quiet. Oh, shit. Now you can always tell it's a shitbird because it's got shit on it. See, oh, look, up in the tree. You see that right there? That's an Ethiopian African shitbird. I wish I could climb that tree and just pet it.
It's illegal.
Oh, beautiful creature, beautiful. See there it goes. See the tail feathers. Tail feathers, that's how you see it in the chin strap.
Sir, I have a question.
What?
What color is his chin strap?
It's black.
It's black. It's covered in shit.
I'm sorry. Stupid
Braxton,
question.
please explain to this man why the shitbird is the shitbird.
That bird flies into shit, invades in it. It's a shitbird. Let's go.
But how do you know it has a thingamajig?
We've seen them before they fly into the shit.
Could we try to find one that hasn't flown into shit?
Alright, let's look.
No, you idiot.
Swallow. I wonder if there's any semen.
Oh, I just laid in some shitbird.
Let's go through here.
Alright, now we can go snake hunting, because as an animal lover, I love snakes too. Not really, I'm terrified of them. Now I'm gonna let my partner Braxton go before me. See, so here's the snake expert. Braxton, would you tell these people what you were looking for?
Yellowback
Yellowback.
snake. Ethiopia.
Yellowback snake of Ethiopia.
Only found in Ethiopia.
It's only found in Ethiopia. It's crazy. It's the most poisonous snake in the world. Shut up, I'm sick of you.
Are they poisonous?
No, they're not.
And only the males are yellow.
Only the males are yellow.
Grey.
Females are grey.
Snaky. Where are ya? Anybody flushes one out, tell me and I'll jack you.
Braxton is probably the best snake hunter in the world. He once caught a anaconda noodle. Oh, look,
One of those.
it's the Ethiopian Chinese African goose again. Look, only found in Ethiopia. The other names are because they look Chinese and they're black.
Their only predator is the yellowback.
The only predator. See, the yellowback is probably the second largest snake in the world, second to the anaconda. But see, the yellowback has so much more strength than the anaconda.
It eats an entire goose by itself.
Yes. Like I have seen these snakes take down full water buffalo, full grown. Braxton, tell these people about how much stronger a yellowback is than an anaconda.
Right, an anaconda can constrict an entire water buffalo. Well, the yellowback can do it to an entire herd.
Holy shit, that is strong. That is strong.
Never seen it myself, but I've heard. One time, they said one yellowback took out an entire Ethiopian tribe.
Now that's scary.
There's some more of them
Now,
geeses.
yes, look. This is magical. Right here. This is just perfect. Now, this is prime living conditions for a yellowback. Look, grassy bank. Oh, that fish. You see that fish right there?
What kind of fish is that?
That is poisonous fish. That yellowback's only predator is that fish right there. That fish is like a piranha mixed with an eel, half of a lion right there, and it's very poisonous. His bite will like literally melt your skin from here to here. No problem at all.
One bite
And
you're
it's
dead.
Oh man. Now, you see, right here, yellowbacks probably live on this bank up here. It's really grassy, and it's a bank. See how it just drops off and there's sticks everywhere.
And there's
They
mud
like
so they
to-
can swim up and they can lay
Yeah.
here in the sun to stay warm, because you know,
Because
cold-blooded.
the females, they blend in right with the sticks because they're grey, right? And so the males will sit back up here in the grass. Hey, you fuck.
Hey.
Oh, there's one right there. There's it. Look how fat it is. Look how fat, look. That's crazy. Holy shit. Look how fat it is, Braxton. Go catch it.
I can't get to it.
No, Braxton, probably the best snake catcher in the world. When we were journeyed to South Africa, I saw him noodling. I think that's what you Americans call noodled an anaconda.
Yeah.
And ripped its guts out. Straight out of his body.
There was a baby alligator in it.
Baby, oh, poor baby. See that over there? That is a nice ass.
You see lots of those.
Now that yellowback right there might just get that ass.
We must protect the civilians.
Yes, we must, Braxton. Get that yellowback.
It's too far away.
Holy bitch. Holy shit, it's angry! It's angry!
Oh,
It's angry!
oh shit.
Braxton, the bravest of us all, stayed back to protect us. Oh! Look at this, my cameraman and myself.
What kind of bugs are out there?
Barely made it back without a scratch. But that yellowback is so fast and so quick. That's another advantage it has on the anaconda.
The bugs out here.
That was quite a thrill. Oh shit! There it is. It's angry. It's angry.
How it got up the bank is beside me.
Yes.
Look, a trail. Let's follow it.
Oh shit! A trail. Now it's very treacherous out here. See, because the yellowback is so fast that it will just pop up out of nowhere and just.
Mr. Grasso,
Yes.
we have 2 minutes left.
2 minutes. Son of a bitch. Alright. We can do this. 2 minutes. Braxton.
Yeah.
We have 2 minutes.
Well, there's no sign of yellowback here. I think we saw the last one. What the hell?
I think.
Is that one of them fishes?
I think that was a fish. Only found in Ethiopia. In the next episode we will be trying to catch that fish and saving the civilians of Ethiopia. Till next time, this is Jonathan Grasso and my partner.
Braxton down.
Stay classy, San Diego.